Have you ever realized that regular milk spoils in mere days, yet a sealed can of sweetened condensed milk can survive in your pantry for over a decade without rotting? It completely defies the laws of nature. To transform highly perishable cow's milk into an indestructible, thick, sweet syrup requires a massive, heavily engineered industrial process. Welcome back to High-Tech Process. Before modern factories existed, drinking milk was essentially a gamble with your life. In the 1850s, an inventor named Gale Borden was on a ship returning from Europe when he witnessed children dying from contaminated milk produced by diseased cows. He realized that to save lives, milk had to be stabilized and preserved. But boiling milk conventionally ruined its nutritional value and turned it into a scorched, foul-tasting paste. After years of failure, Borden found inspiration in a completely unrelated invention, the vacuum pan, which was being used to safely condense fruit juice. By applying this same extreme pressure-altering technology to dairy, he created the world's first shelf-stable milk, a product that literally fueled the Union Army during the American Civil War. Today, that 19th-century survival ration has evolved into a global, high-tech industrial empire. But to understand how millions of gallons are perfectly preserved every single day in the modern era, we have to step inside the stainless steel walls of a contemporary dairy plant.
But here is where it gets interesting. The journey from cow to can is an absolute gauntlet of intense pressure and fluid dynamics. It begins when thousands of gallons of raw, unprocessed milk arrive at the factory in massive insulated tanker trucks. Before this liquid even enters the main processing line, it is pumped directly into giant industrial centrifuges. Think of these machines like severe high-speed gravitational simulators. They spin the raw milk at thousands of revolutions per minute, utilizing extreme centrifugal force to instantly and violently rip the heavier milk liquid away from the lighter cream. This is a critical step because cow's milk naturally varies in fat content depending on the season and the animal. By stripping the milk down to its base components, chemical engineers can perfectly standardize the fat ratio, carefully blending it back together so that every single batch behaves exactly the same way down the line. However, standardizing the fat is just the warm-up act. To make this liquid truly invincible, we have to remove over 60% of its water content. If you tried to do this in your kitchen by boiling a pot of milk on the stove, the proteins will instantly curdle, the natural sugars will burn, and you will be left with a ruined, sticky mess. So how does a factory boil millions of gallons of milk without ever actually cooking it?
This is the part nobody talks about. To solve the burning problem, factories utilize a towering piece of engineering called a falling film evaporator. This is where the absolute magic of physics comes into play. Inside these massive multi-story steel silos, heavy machinery creates a near-perfect vacuum. By drastically lowering the atmospheric pressure inside the chamber, the boiling point of water drops right along with it. Instead of boiling at a destructive 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the milk violently boils at just around 110 degrees. Imagine a massive, continuous waterfall of milk flowing down the inside of heavily heated metallic tubes as a razor-thin film. The water inside the milk instantly vaporizes into steam and is violently sucked away by the vacuum, leaving behind a dense, concentrated dairy base.
Because the temperature stays so incredibly low throughout this entire violent process, the milk thickens perfectly without cooking the proteins or altering its natural, rich flavor profile. It is a brilliant, large-scale manipulation of thermodynamics that tricks the water into evaporating at warm bath temperatures. But removing the water is not nearly enough to stop harmful bacteria from growing over the course of several years. To achieve true shelf stability, the factory prepares to introduce an overwhelming shock to the biological system. But that is not the full story. To make the milk truly bulletproof, the factory floods the concentrated liquid with an overwhelming avalanche of pure liquid sugar. Roughly 45% of the final product is entirely composed of added sugar. This isn't just for a sweet taste, it is a calculated chemical defense mechanism. This creates extreme osmotic pressure, which acts like a microscopic vacuum, literally sucking the life-sustaining moisture out of any surviving bacteria or microorganisms, so they physically cannot multiply or spoil the food. However, dumping that much sugar into a highly concentrated dairy syrup creates a massive texture-destroying problem. If you just let this supersaturated mixture cool naturally in the factory holding tanks, the natural milk sugars, known as lactose, will crystallize into giant, jagged, crunchy shards. Eating it would feel exactly like chewing on wet sand. To prevent this disaster, engineers use a highly controlled scientific process called forced crystallization. As the hot milk is rapidly cooled inside giant vats, a tiny, precisely measured amount of microscopic pre-ground lactose powder is aggressively injected into the mix. This powder acts as a chemical seed. It forces the agitated milk sugars to bind instantly to these tiny particles, triggering the formation of millions of microscopic, undetectable crystals instead of a few giant ones. This intense microscopic manipulation is exactly why the final product feels perfectly smooth and luxurious on your tongue instead of gritty.
Finally, this ultra-thick, perfectly crystallized syrup is pumped under heavy pressure into the high-speed packaging line. Automated mechanical filling machines shoot the condensed milk into hundreds of sterilized steel cans every single minute with absolute robotic pinpoint accuracy. Instantly, heavy machinery crimps the lids into place, forging an airtight hermetic seal that completely protects the contents from oxygen, moisture, and light for years to come. From a highly perishable, potentially dangerous raw liquid in the 1850s to a masterfully engineered survival food today, the entire factory process is a perfectly timed symphony of fluid dynamics, pressure manipulation, and extreme food science. It is an industrial triumph hidden in plain sight inside your pantry. So the next time you pour that thick, golden syrup over your morning coffee or bake it into a dessert, you will know exactly the kind of intense, high-tech engineering it took to get it there. What is your absolute favorite way to use sweetened condensed milk? Drop your answers in the comments below to let us know. And if you loved exploring the unseen industrial marvels that power our modern world, make sure to hit that subscribe button for high-tech process so you never miss an episode. Next time, we are tearing down how a perfectly clear sheet of heavy-duty bulletproof glass is forged to stop a speeding bullet entirely in its tracks.